Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to share with you 5 more must-see beaches here in Cornwall that we think you should visit. This is the 3rd in the series, so be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of future content. The rest of the series is linked in the description box, as well as individual vlogs of each location if you want to see more. All the postcodes, parking, accessibility and other information will also be in the description box. Let's get to it. Up first, we would recommend that you visit Swanpool Beach. Swanpool Beach is a beach in Falmouth often overlooked, as a lot more people favour its neighbouring beach, Gillingvays. From Gillingvays Beach you can actually walk along the coast towards Swanpool. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes. It's a lovely walk with amazing views if you have time to spare. Swanpool Beach itself is a small sandy cove. Due to its sheltered nature, it makes for a great swimming spot. Just across the road from the beach is Swanpool Lake Nature Reserve, which is abundant with wildlife with over 100 species of bird calling it home. Due to the unique mixture of saltwater and freshwater, the lake is also home to trembling sea mat, a type of microscopic animal found nowhere else in the UK. There's a handy car park or on-road parking adjacent to the beach, and a cafe that is open all year round. Next is one of my personal favourites, and it's Porth Beach in Newquay. It's not as busy to its neighbouring beaches considering the proximity to Newquay town and other famous beaches such as Watergate Bay and Fistraw. This beach is popular with families as it's mostly laid soft golden sand with towering cliffs either side, giving it a more sheltered feel. There are also loads of Rockpools to explore. From the beach there is a narrow footpath where you can access North Island. Here lies Trevelgue Head, an ancient cliff fort and settlement. There are several pubs and cafes in the local area, and even a little coffee and ice cream shop on the beach itself. This year Porth Beach won the Seaside Award for commitment to environment, water quality and safety. Up next we think you should visit Porthtowan. Another looked over beach, Porthtowan is on the north coast between Porthreath and St Agnes. It's a lovely long sandy beach, mostly laid to sand. It has a play park just outside the beach, cafes, toilets and a good amount of parking. This makes it a family favourite. At low tide the beach is vast at 1.5 miles, and sometimes it even links up to the neighbouring Chapel Porth Beach in St Agnes, below the iconic Wheelcoats Heritage Site. As Porthtowan is set within a valley, it has sheltering cliffs either side, allowing for a fairly sheltered area. Porthtowan has frequently won the Blue Flag Beach Award many times, and we can see why. Porthtowan has a rich mining history, being one of the top financially performing mines of its time. If you are staying in the area, we would certainly recommend you head over and visit. Are you wanting to try somewhere a little more remote, off the beaten track with a more local feel? Why not check out Towan Beach? There are actually 2 Towan beaches in Cornwall, one in Newquay and one in the Roseland. We're talking about the latter. Due to its secluded area on the Roseland Peninsula, Towan Beach sees less tourism and traffic and therefore has a quieter feel. Towan Beach is just along from the village of Porthtowan and is near a more popular area called St Mawes. Towan Beach is part of the Southwest Coastal Path, so if you fancy a longer walk you can access the coast path and walk along to the historic St Anthony's Head lighthouse, which is famously in a TV series Fraggle Rock. Or you can walk the Porth Circular Walk around the headland. Towan Beach is known to have an abundance of wildlife, and make sure you watch out for seals. There's a small cafe and amenities at the entrance of the coastal path, which are generally open seasonally. Due to the more secluded area, be sure if you're coming out of season to bring your own food and drink. There is however a decent sized parking area by the Porth Walk entrance. Lastly, back to somewhere a little bit more well known now. If you are heading down west, be sure to check out Praa Sands on the south coast. Praa Sands is located on the south coast between Penzance and Helston. There is a surf shop and a restaurant adjacent to the beach, and plenty of parking available. Praa Sands is particularly popular with surfing due to the large swells from the Atlantic, making the waves here a lot larger than a lot of the other Cornish beaches. There's a large green with some benches above the beach. This is a memorial area in memory of a seaplane that crashed here in 1943. Praa Sands is a fairly popular area in the summertime due to the abundance of holiday parks and homes in the areas and the great surf. The further along the beach you walk from the car park, the quieter it'll be, so why not wander down to the Redruth side of the beach and enjoy a bit more calm. In off-peak season the beach remains fairly quiet. There is some debate locally whether the beach is called Praa Sands or Praa Sands. Let me know if you visited and what you call it. Let us know if you've ever visited any of these beaches. We will have another video up soon with more recommendations of places to visit in Cornwall. Until then, please do like and subscribe as it helps to get our content seen. We appreciate all your support and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.